Crash course on African culture, exploring the rich and varied traditions, customs, languages, music, art, and cuisine of different African countries and regions. Africa is a vast and diverse continent, home to a rich tapestry of cultures, traditions, languages, music, art, and cuisine. From the ancient kingdoms of Egypt and Ethiopia to the modern metropolises of Lagos and Johannesburg, the continent is full of fascinating and unique cultural experiences. One of the most interesting aspects of African culture is the way in which it has been shaped by centuries of contact with other cultures and civilizations. From the Arab traders who crossed the Sahara to the Portuguese explorers who sailed around the Cape of Good Hope, Africa has been shaped by a wide range of external influences. Another fascinating aspect of African culture is its incredible diversity. With over 1,500 different languages spoken across the continent, and countless different ethnic groups and cultural traditions, Africa is a kaleidoscope of different experiences and perspectives. To truly appreciate the richness and diversity of African culture, it's important to explore the different traditions, customs, languages, music, art, and cuisine of different African countries and regions. One example of an interesting African culture is the Maasai people of Kenya and Tanzania. Known for their colorful clothing, intricate beadwork, and unique way of life, the Maasai have managed to maintain their traditional culture and customs in the face of modernization and globalization. Another fascinating African culture is that of the Dogon people of Mali. Known for their elaborate masks and sculptures, as well as their complex religious beliefs and astronomical knowledge, the Dogon have a rich and ancient cultural heritage that continues to be celebrated to this day. In South Africa, the Zulu people have a rich and vibrant culture that is expressed through music, dance, and art. From the traditional songs and dances performed at weddings and funerals to the intricate beadwork and pottery produced by Zulu artisans, the Zulu culture is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the African spirit. Other interesting African cultures include the Ashanti people of Ghana, the Berber people of North Africa, and the Tuareg people of the Sahara Desert. Each of these cultures has its own unique traditions, customs, languages, music, art, and cuisine, and exploring them is a fascinating and rewarding experience. To truly appreciate the richness and diversity of African culture, it's important to immerse oneself in the different experiences and perspectives that the continent has to offer. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the colorful festivals of Lagos, Africa is a continent full of wonder and excitement, waiting to be explored and celebrated. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the top 12 interesting African cultures. Maasai culture. The Maasai are a semi-nomadic ethnic group who live in Kenya and Tanzania. Known for their distinctive clothing and jewelry, the Maasai have a rich cultural heritage that centers around cattle herding and communal living. Dogon culture. The Dogon are an ethnic group who live in the Central Plateau region of Mali. They are known for their complex religious beliefs and their deep understanding of astronomy. The Dogon are also renowned for their intricate masks and sculptures. Zulu culture. The Zulu people are the largest ethnic group in South Africa. They are known for their colorful clothing, their intricate beadwork, and their vibrant music and dance traditions. The Zulu are also known for their military prowess, as demonstrated by the legendary Zulu warrior king, Shaka. Ashanti culture. The Ashanti are an ethnic group who live in Ghana. They are known for their elaborate funerary rites, as well as their skilled craftsmen, who produce beautiful gold jewelry, kente cloth, and other traditional items. Berber culture. The Berber people are an ethnic group who live in North Africa, including Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya. They have a rich cultural heritage that includes music, dance, and poetry, as well as a long history of resistance to foreign domination. Tuareg culture. The Tuareg people are a nomadic ethnic group who live in the Sahara Desert, including parts of Mali, Niger, and Algeria. They are known for their distinctive blue clothing and their skilled horsemanship, as well as their traditional music and poetry. Swahili culture. The Swahili people are an ethnic and linguistic group who live along the East African coast, including parts of Kenya, Tanzania, and Mozambique. They have a rich cultural heritage that combines elements of Bantu, Arab, and Indian traditions. Yoruba culture. The Yoruba people are an ethnic group who live in Nigeria, Benin, and Togo. They are known for their elaborate religious beliefs and their skilled artisans, who produce intricate wood carvings, brasswork, and textiles. Ndebele culture. The Ndebele people are an ethnic group who live in South Africa and Zimbabwe. They are known for their brightly painted houses and their intricate beadwork, as well as their music and dance traditions. Himba culture. The Himba people are an ethnic group who live in Namibia. They are known for the distinctive red ochre body paint and the traditional hairstyles, as well as their skilled basket weaving and other crafts. Igbo culture. The Igbo people are an ethnic group who live in Nigeria. They are known for their rich cultural traditions, including music, dance, and storytelling, as well as their skilled craftsmen, who produce intricate wood carvings, pottery, and textiles. San culture. The San people are an indigenous group who live in southern Africa, including parts of Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. They are known for their deep spiritual beliefs and their intricate rock art, as well as their skilled hunting and gathering techniques. In summary, African culture is a rich and varied tapestry of traditions, customs, languages, music, art, and cuisine, shaped by centuries of contact with other cultures and civilizations. From the ancient kingdoms of Egypt and Ethiopia to the modern metropolises of Lagos and Johannesburg, the continent is full of fascinating and unique cultural experiences. By exploring the different cultures and traditions of Africa, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity and richness of the African spirit. And so we dance to the rhythm of the drums and sing songs of ancient lands, where culture and tradition have woven a tapestry as vibrant as the sun-kissed sands. We celebrate the artistry of the masks and marvel at the beauty of the beads and honor the wisdom of the elders, whose stories are the soul's truest needs. In Africa, culture is the heartbeat, a symphony of traditions and pride, and we are blessed to witness its glory and to walk in its wonder, side by side. ****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.